Hello and welcome to the Wealthy Trades Daily Market Forecast for May 15th, 2015. It is Friday and bulls are on parade. Let's look at the SPY. Yesterday was a huge rally day, great rally day. Opened 211.24 and that was a gap higher, closed at 212.21. And here's the thing, we closed above the level that I was talking about, and this candle here was actually going to shift into green at the close today. There's a confirmation day and that'll actually shift green. You'll see that shift green at the close today. Okay, so technically it's saying we're in a downtrend, but at the close of today that's actually going to shift into an uptrend. And the reason why is because we broke and closed above that 211.89 level that I said we need to break above. Now here's the thing, do not think we're just going to break higher. Yes, I think we are going, now that we confirmed the close above 212. I said this, I've been saying it. If we get a close above 212, then I think we rally to about 230, 235. Which would be about let's say a $20 rally in the SPY, which would give us let's just say about give or take about a 10% rally from this level. But we do have some, all right, not a lot, but some selling pressure at this 212.50 level. Okay, that is the all-time high. We're not going to just break through that gangbusters. We might today, but what's going to happen is we're probably going to chop around at that level, test it a little bit, and then we might be off to the races. If we get a confirmation strong close today, this could be the start of a really, really big rally. So again, it's indicating a downtrend. But this will shift into an uptrend today. You'll see this bar turn green at the close. Same with the dashboard. The dashboard is indicating a downtrend, but a lot of these stocks actually will get confirmed shifts into an uptrend at today's close, and this will flip, and then we'll go from there. I do like the fact that trend quality is below 50%, so we can do a pairs trade and hopefully take advantage of those longs if we do get that breakout. Yesterday was good. Yesterday we went short AEP in long Monsanto. Wasn't quite as good as the market up, up over 1%, but we were up about 0.36%. Not too bad, not too bad. Today we're going to do kind of much the same as we did yesterday, and then probably starting next week, I have a feeling we're going to be going long a lot next week, and probably, hopefully for the next couple weeks, because we'll get into a nice trend, long only, trend quality above 50% consistently. That'll be really nice. But for today, we're going to do a pairs trade. We're going to go short in the energy sector, all right, in stocks in the energy sector, and then we're going to go long in the best sector in the consumer staple sector, okay? But let's find the shorting opportunities first in the energy sector. Okay, so let's move these over into our portfolio. I'm going to move these over right now, and I'm going to find the best short, all right? I'm sorry, you know what? Yep, I'm going to find the best short for today, and I'm going to use my pair down technique, as you guys know, as everybody knows, hopefully by now. Watch the videos in the resource center. I post these before the market opens under resources and podcast, so you need to watch these every day. I did send out an earnings alert yesterday on SINA, so I'll be giving an update on that today. We do have some earnings next week also, and probably over the next week or two, we're going to be wrapping up this quarter, and I'll do a recap on how all that looked. I'm also working on finalizing the options course, and I'm excited because I'm working on a specific spreadsheet for the options course that I'm going to give out to everybody along with the course that will go into helping you price these options and find the strategies. And remember, that is absolutely free to the first 1,000 paying members. Okay, the first 1,000 paying members will get that absolutely free. It's not trial members, it's actually paying members. After 1,000, we're going to put it on our website. It'll be a retail value of $1,000. It's going to be a great course. We're going to go into long-term strategies, rotation strategies, income strategies. We're going to go into all kinds of stuff. It's going to be awesome. But let's talk about today. All right, so I'm going to pare this down. Short in the energy sector, let's pare this down. Get rid of anything that doesn't make money on both sides of the levels to win profit. So XEC, as you can see, loses money on the trend side, so let's get rid of that one. NE looks good. MER loses money on both sides. Let's get rid of that. EOG looks good. XLE itself loses money on the counter trend. Let's get rid of that. APA looks good. APC, get rid of. Get rid of that one. And DVN, get rid of that one. Okay, so we got it down to these three. Now, how do we pair it from there? Well, I'm going to use the levels to win spread. All right, 34.6 and 17.3. So we've got what a 17-18% spread there compared to about a 17-18% spread there compared to this is the best one 30. So this is a 23% spread compared to a 17-18% spread here, 17-18% spread here. So NE is the best. All right, so NE is going to be our short opportunity today, and NE looks good. It closed at 17.10. The expected low, because it's in a downtrend, is 16.71. It hits that often. Expected high today is 17.49. Looks good. We're going to short at the open and hold all day long, close at the end of the day. Now, we're going to pair that with a trade. I'm glad that we're pairing it because I don't like just blind short positions in this market right now, especially with it trading where it's at, and it looks like we're going to break out. So I'm going to pair this with a long in the XLP, which is the consumer staples sector. I'm going to find the best stock in that sector. So I'm going to bring all these over into my portfolio and see which ones we got there. On our weekly trades, we're doing well. We're long in, excuse me, we're long in KR. I'll go over that in a minute here. But we're going to pare this down, get rid of anything that doesn't make money. So I'm going to go through this fairly quickly. So the XLP itself, get rid of. ADM, get rid of. DPS. GIS, so it's $0 in the counter trend. We've got better ones than that, so I'm going to get rid of that one also. KR, MO. Okay, so now let's pare this down. So let's look at the spread. 36.5 and 5 is better than 36 and 13. So Kraft is better than that. Let's look at 34 and 9 is not as good as 36 and 5. So Kraft is better than that. So KR is 25 and 5. That's not as good as 36 and 5. But let's look at KR because that's our weekly trade. All right. So just to give you guys an update on KR, which is our weekly trade, KR opened the week at, I believe it was 71.90. 71.90 is where it opened. It's at 72.44 right now. So looking decent. If we can continue to get a rally today, that one should play out well. But that is our weekly trade. It's not going to be our day trade. We're trying to find the best long position for our day trade. Kraft is 36 in 5, and that's better than 32 and 11. So here's our trade for today. We are going to go short NE at the open, and it's got 3 entries possibilities. You can short at the counter trend level, 17.49. That's a good shorting area historically. Or if we get a sell-off and we go down to 16.71, that's also a good shorting opportunity. Close it at the end of the day, so short NE. And then long Kraft, all right, it closed at 85.97. Expected high is 86.72. Expected low is 85.20. And those are both good entry levels. So long Kraft close at the end of the day. So those are looking good. Our monthly trades are also looking good. Everything's kind of turned around now, which is great. We're long in the healthcare sector and long Cardinal Health. So listen, let's make it a great weekend. Have a great weekend. And I will do the weekly recap. And we'll do a recap of how the earnings are looking also. If you have any questions, email me at info@wealthytrades.com. Make it a great day.